Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the text reader within the desktop version of Microsoft Word. This can be used for determining if a student qualifies for the testing accommodation on the state assessment using the PAR. You're going to first start out by having your document or your text passage for that grade level that you're wanting to assess open within the desktop version of Microsoft Word. The next thing you're going to do is go up to the View menu, click there, and then this will pull up right here where it says Learning Tools. Once you click that, this menu will pop up. Over here you can determine what type of column width you want. Some students do better with different column sizes. You also, if you had a student who had a visual impairment, they could also have it where it's a background color black, or you can do the regular one or sepia. Text spacing, if you have a student who needs the words spread out a little bit more with space in between them, you could do the text spacing setting as well. The main thing you're going to be assessing is whether or not a student needs an actual read aloud accommodation. To do that, you're going to click on this read aloud option. What you'll see here is that this little menu over here on the right will pull up. Right here is the settings. You can adjust how fast or slow it's going to read to the student. You can also determine which of these three different voices the student will listen to. Each one of them is different, and so students may have a preference and may kind of perform better depending on what that is. Once you've made those settings, then you can just hit this play button. And it will start reading to them. So make sure that your cursor is at the beginning, and that's where it will start reading. Okay. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to the Assistive Technology Department, and we're happy to problem solve with you on specific student needs. Thanks, and have a good day.